NVMe SSD and DDR5 RAM deliver faster performance, quicker loading, smoother multitasking, and efficiency. My today's video is about top 5 best NVMe DDR5 RAM that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at KLEVV NVMe DDR5 RAM. The KLEVV CRAS RGB memory is a premium high-performance RAM module designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who demand both speed and style. Backed by Core and using SK Hynix ICs, it ensures strong reliability and quality, making it a trusted choice in the memory market. With blazing speeds of up to 8,000 metric tons per second, this RAM is built for extreme performance, offering excellent overclocking potential for demanding gaming and professional workloads. It delivers smooth multitasking and fast system responsiveness, ideal for AAA gaming and heavy applications. The design is equally impressive, featuring a futuristic tone-on-tone aluminum heatsink that improves heat dissipation while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Its low-profile 44mm height ensures broad compatibility and easier installation in various PC builds. RGB lighting adds a striking visual effect with full customization support through major motherboard software, allowing users to create personalized lighting setups. Overall, the KRAS RGB combines speed, aesthetics, and stability, making it a strong choice for high-end gaming and performance-focused builds. Now our second product is G.SKILL NVMe DDR5 RAM. The G.SKILL Flare X5 DDR5 32GB, 2x16GB memory kit is a high-performance solution designed for modern gaming and productivity PCs running at DDR5-6000CL36 with 1.35V. It delivers excellent speed, responsiveness, and efficiency, making it ideal for demanding applications in next-gen gaming. This kit supports both AMD Expo and Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, allowing easy overclocking and optimized performance across a wide range of platforms. It is compatible with major chipsets including AMD X870, X670, B650, and Intel Z890, Z790, Z690, and others, ensuring broad system support. As a matched dual-channel kit, it is designed for stable operation when used together. Mixing different memory kits is not recommended, as it may cause instability or performance issues. G.SKILL also provides QVL and compatibility tools to ensure proper motherboard support. Overall, the Flare X5 DDR5 kit offers a strong balance of speed, reliability, and compatibility, making it a solid choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts building high-performance systems. Our third product is Crucial NVMe DDR5 RAM. The Crucial 32GB DDR5, 2x16GB, 6000 MHz memory kit is a strong upgrade option for gamers and performance-focused PC users. Running at 6000 MHz, it delivers improved system responsiveness, faster load times, and smoother multitasking, making it well-suited for modern gaming and demanding workloads. With lower latency timings of 36-38-38-80, it helps enhance frame rates and reduce delays in fast-paced AAA games, where every millisecond matters. This makes it a reliable choice for competitive gaming and high-performance setups. The kit is optimized for compatibility with 13th Gen Intel Core processors and AMD Ryzen 9000 series CPUs, ensuring broad support across the latest platforms. Its DDR5 architecture further boosts bandwidth and efficiency compared to previous generation memory. Backed by Micron's 42 years of experience, the RAM undergoes strict testing at both component and module levels for stability and durability. It also offers solid overclocking potential while maintaining reliable performance. Overall, this DDR5 kit delivers speed, stability, and trusted quality for modern PC builds. Now number 4, G.SKILL NVMe DDR5 RAM. The G.SKILL Trident Z RGB 32GB, 2x16GB DDR4-3600 memory kit is a reliable and high-performance choice for gaming and desktop PC builds. With a speed rating of 3600 MHz and CL18 timings, it delivers smooth system responsiveness, faster load times, and stable multitasking performance for both gaming and productivity tasks. Designed for enthusiasts, this DDR4 kit supports Intel XMP profiles for easy overclocking and optimized performance with compatible motherboards. Running at 1.35V, it balances efficiency with strong performance, making it suitable for long gaming sessions and heavy workloads. As a matched dual-channel kit, it is engineered for stable operation when used together. Mixing with other memory kits is not recommended, as it may lead to instability or system issues. Users are advised to check G.SKILL's QVL list for full motherboard compatibility. The signature Trident Z RGB design adds customizable lighting effects, enhancing any gaming setup visually. Overall, it combines performance, stability, and style for a premium DDR4 experience. And our last choice is Corsair NVMe DDR5 RAM. The Corsair DDR5 Memory Kit is a high-performance solution designed for users who want both speed and visual appeal in their PC build. Built for modern Intel DDR5 platforms, it delivers strong bandwidth and tight response times, making it ideal for gaming, multitasking, and demanding productivity tasks. A key highlight is its dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, with individually addressable LEDs per module. The panoramic light bar creates bright, customizable effects that enhance the overall look of any setup from every angle. Performance tuning is made easier with onboard voltage regulation and support for Intel XMP 3.0 profiles. Using Corsair ICUE software, users can fine-tune settings or create custom profiles optimized for different applications, ensuring a balance between performance and efficiency. It is important to note that achieving maximum advertised speeds may require BIOS adjustments and compatible system components such as a capable motherboard and CPU. Overall, this DDR5 kit offers excellent performance potential, advanced customization, and premium RGB aesthetics for high-end PC builds. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.